Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video, I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all, we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on here. Then select answers from here, then click on this box, then type at 3.5. Then click on this box, then type at 2. Then you have to click on this box and type at 300. Then click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the shape tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then you have to select the shape. Then rotate the shape. Then you have to drag the shape in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this. Then click on the flip vertical. Then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then go to the layer panel. Then you have to double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. After that, you have to select the shape tool. Then you have to draw the shape in here. Then select the move tool. Then drag this in here. Then you have to rotate this. Then drag this in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then select shape from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and here. Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select this layer. Then lock this layer. Then select this layer. Then lock this layer. Then you have to select these layers. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this. Then select these layers again. Then take a copy again. After that, you have to unlock this layer. Then you have to select this layer. Then double click on here. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on blending option. Then click on the gradient holiday. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the blues. Then select this color. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select these. Then click on the color. Then you have to select this color again. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate the color from here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then select this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. OK. Now we have to select this. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer. Then you have to double click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the copy layer style. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the face layer style. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the face layer style again. Then you have to select this layer. Then you have to double click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color again. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK again. After that, you have to open the image to set in here. So I am opening the image from my PC. After opening the image, you have to unlock this image. Then drag this image in here. Then you have to select this layer. Then press and hold the shift key. Then you have to select this layer. Then press Ctrl+Z button from keyboard. Then you have to click on here. Then select the image. Then right click on this. Then click on the create clipping marks. Then you have to set this image in here. After setting the image, you have to click on the tick mark. Then click on the opacity. Then decrease the opacity of this image. Then you have to click on the fill. Then decrease the fill of this image. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to select this. Then you have to lock this image. Then you have to select this shape. Then lock this shape. Then select these layers. Then lock these layers. So now you have to include the icons and add some text in here. I am already at the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After pasting the text, you have to increase the size of this. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After opening the logo, you have to select these layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this. Then you have to double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then click on here. Then you have to select this font style. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then write your company category in here. Then press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then click on here. Then select this font style. Then click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then click on the color. Then select the white color, then click on the OK. So now here you can see our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select all layers from here, then click on the backspace. Then back to the main project, then you have to unlock all layers from here. After unlocking the layers, you have to select all layers from here, then drag these layers in here. Then set this business card in here. After setting the business card, you have to press Ctrl plus S button from keyboard. Now, here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.